Pity the poor blind man. I begging you something, please. I begging you something. Nice lady. Pity the poor blind man. Pity the poor blind man. I begging you something, please. Pity the poor blind man.
Oh, sir.
Pity the poor blind man.
Blind man.
I begging you something.
Oh, sir, you see my shoes here? You see who take my shoes?
That girl long time. Pity the poor blind man. Begging you something, please.
You two of your kind them now.
You must be mad.
Hungry dad. Some last night my there man, I'm not eat nothing.
You must be mad. But you know easy. You want something out of myself?
You get two of them kind of.
How you deal with, brother? Eh? You can't get none out of myself. You know me have to work hard. Hustle morning till night, morning till night. And then if you take up myself, out of me hustle, figure you. You better learn the tricks and trades I street.
What do you mean
Hey,
by that?
you see that man over there? The man with the hand hook up so. Ah. See there? See him get the money there.
What do you mean sell the man the cripple? Look what the man on.
Hustle for him and his living. How are you for? You have your 2 foot. You got 2 hands. You have your 2 eye. Well, me have me 2 eye, but sometimes I lack them sometime for hustle. Find a trade, go do some hustling. Pity the poor blind man. I begging you something. Thank you, my love. Whosoever this, thank you, God bless you. May the Lord shine up his light upon you and bless you. Thank you. And you know sitting. You have got left the corner here, you know. This pot here, too much of a can't turn here. This pot here too hot here. I like how you just come a road and don't know nothing about nothing like young boy in a storm. You go find a spot for yourself. And remember, tricks and trades, a matches boxing business. Take what you said. Take what you said.